Everyone, it's me, Georgie. So today, let me face this real quick. Anyways, as I was saying, today I'll be adding some beads to make this slime that I bought crunchy. So you guys be saying, why did I buy this slime that I was gonna use? It's because I didn't really have the supplies to make a clear slime. So I'm just gonna add some beads and I'm gonna test if it'll make it crunchy. So yeah, added the beads. This is kind of shaky. Ooh, that feels actually good actually. As you can see, the beads are in there. I'm gonna mix it around a little and see what happens, because I have to be holding the camera, so it's kind of very hard. So I'm gonna mix it around and see what happens. Okay guys, so I added the rest. I mixed around the slime with the beads and I added a little bit more, and as you can see, they're all over it. There's one right here. Yeah, it's crunchy slime. It does feel like crunchy slime. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, this is just the end of the video. Please go and like and please subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I was just testing if I can make crunchy slime with these stuff, and it actually does feel crunchy. So yeah, this is a thumbs up because it actually did work. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and like and subscribe. Ooh, slime's gone. And this is the end of the video. My next video will probably be the Chubby Bunny Challenge. I've been wanting to do it. I probably do it with one of my friends at school, so tune in for that video. Turn on the notification bell that's beside the subscribe button to be notified when I post new videos. So yeah, bye, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.